Welcome back to another video. This is the second of my dinner party series. So these are 3 separate little canapes that are perfect if you are hosting this Christmas. So they're great before dinner or if you're just having a drinks party. And this one is the sweet one. So out of all 3, we've only got one sweet, and I have come up with the most delicious chocolate cup recipe. So the base is like a really soft date and chocolate crust made from almonds and cacao powder. It's so amazing, and then the filling is so soft and gooey. It's almost like a caramel chocolate texture. It's unbelievable. I can't wait for you to try it, and it's pretty simple to make as well. So the first step is we're going to get our almonds, place them in a food processor, and we're going to blitz them, so pulse until they break down into crumbs. So we basically just want them to be like little crumbs like that. That's perfect. We're going to add in the dates. Again, make sure there's no little stones in those dates, because that will not be fun when people eat them. And then the cacao powder, and this will just make it taste so lovely and chocolatey. And then we're just going to blend that up. It'll take about a minute, and then a dough will form, so that's when you know it's done. There we go. So basically what happens is this incredible kind of dough-like texture forms, so it's all holding together already. So that is perfect. So what we're going to do now is take a heaped teaspoon amount of the mixture and place that into each one of these little individual mini cupcake cases. These are silicone. I would highly recommend these. I just bought these on Amazon, and because they're silicone, it just means you can reuse them obviously time and time again, because you can just wash them, but also it makes it so much easier to get the mixture out. So I'm just going to fill about a third of the way up of these cases with every single one. So these are all filled now, so I would place these in the freezer for about an hour, and then while we get on with this, these will be absolutely perfect and set. You may find you have some leftover kind of dough for the base if you don't have as many silicone cases. In that case, just roll them into individual energy balls and keep them in the fridge. Absolutely perfect, just like that. So now on to the filling. We're going to start by melting the chocolate. I've just placed a glass bowl over the top of some simmering water, and that will just make the chocolate melt really nice and slowly, because you don't want to rush this at all. So this will just be melting away while we get on with the other ingredients. So into the blender, we're just going to blend all of the remaining ingredients. So we've got the cashews that have been soaking. I've drained the water, so they're going straight in. We need the maple syrup. I'm so excited for this, honestly. Oh, they're so delicious. They're absolutely perfect for dinner parties. So now for the coconut cream. We just need half a cup of this, and you'll find that it's mainly the top part that is the creamy bit, and the bottom will be all of the liquid. We don't need the liquid for this recipe, but it's really good to save that liquid and add it to a smoothie or something. It's so delicious. So the coconut cream is going straight in there. While I wait for that chocolate to melt, I am going to go ahead and kind of blend all of this together. Just going to scrape down the sides, because we don't want any of like the crunchy cashew bits left over. There we go, that chocolate is perfectly melted now. So I'm just going to pour that straight into the mixture. So just going to blend that all up. It will need about 5 minutes of blending, because we want it to go totally smooth. We don't want any of those cashew pieces in there. So depending on the speed of your blender, it might be like 5 to 7 minutes, I would say. So this is so delicious and smooth now. So I'm just going to fill up each one of these cups with the filling, and then they're going to go back into the freezer, or if you're serving them tonight, put them in the fridge until you're serving, and they'll be absolutely perfect. Otherwise, if you want them for a later date, maybe you're making ahead of time and you're super prepared, I would put them in the freezer, and then an hour before you serve, just put them in the fridge, and they'll be absolutely perfect that way. So these are set perfectly. We are going to mash these raspberries just with the back of a fork. It takes no time at all. So quick. So literally like that, nice and easy. And then using a teaspoon, I'm just going to take a small amount and add it to the top of each one. And then this is my favourite part, we're just going to take those edible petals and sprinkle them over each one. So here are my mini chocolate cups, perfect for dinner parties. I just think they look so, so cute. They are obviously 100% plant-based and healthier than other chocolate cups, so they're a great alternative, and you can make these ahead of time. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and make sure you check out the next video of the series that will be coming very soon. It's a quick and easy kind of cracker savoury recipe, so that will be with you very soon. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Please do go ahead and make them for Christmas this year, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!